this. We stopped. My husband saw this. Some people got here before me, but like, what? It's really nice. There's so many views. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy out here. SubhanAllah, so beautiful. Yeah, I forgot to start the vlog off by telling you we are going to Tangier. They call it Tangier. The sun is blinding me. And I'm doing them all brown. Put the black niqab because I have a brown one, but it doesn't really go good. Maybe I still should have wore it, but yeah, we're gonna Tangier. First stop is Starbucks because they don't have a Starbucks in Tetuan, and the only Starbucks in Tangier is in the train station. So we're gonna go there first, and then whatever else I want to do, because my husband said you can do whatever you want. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We have rented a car and we're gonna be in Tangier all day. So as we're driving, I'm gonna find, oh my gosh, I think I'm stepping on the ants. I'm in their trail. Wow, like I started seeing them move. And it reminds me of the song, like the ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah. Oh my goodness, because like they really have something in their mouth. And I don't know what it is, but they're taking it back. And this is crazy, like I probably stepped on them. And then may Allah forgive me for stepping on the ants. I didn't even know. This is so scary. It's just like when you're in nature and like you're bound to step on a bug, but it's, oh my goodness, when you think about it, it's a life. My husband's over there. He's over there changing Beta's diaper. Being a good husband. Yeah, so it's really nice. We're running back to the car. Wow. Oh, I'm out of breath already. What a good day. I'm hungry. I don't know what I want to eat. I might I'm gonna go to like the mall there and get stuff I don't need. But they have KFC. I want like they have like the spicy wrap, it's really good. So I might get that. And then like this Indian restaurant for like dinner. Well, I just dumped in a ditch. I made it to Starbucks. Come on, so boy. Goodness. And they actually do have pumpkin spice here. Wow. Oh, really good. Donut, what do you call it? Donut days? That's a good price too. Look, they have Aldo and Steve Madden. Aldo is looking nice. There's a Steve Madden. I love these sneakers. So cute. These are so cute. With the black sole too. These are really elite. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's 800 dirhams, and I know if my husband sees it, it's gonna be like, why do we even need a jacket? Wow.